Hi, hello, namaste, and this is Sunny and welcome back to my channel Glam Up Teen. Hope you all are doing good and advance happy Ugadi to one and all. So recently we are hearing a lots of news about the coronavirus, which is very fast spreading in the world, and government also declared holidays until 31st of March. It doesn't mean that we go and hang out with our friends and just enjoy ourselves. It is so that we'll stay at home and we can prevent the fast spreading coronavirus. So for these few days, please quarantine yourself so that we can at least prevent the occurrence of coronavirus. And please sanitize your hands with your sanitizer whenever it is necessary. So today's topic is about dark circles. Like when we hear dark circles, in many of times we would have faced these problems like getting dark circles, like puffiness around the eyes and wrinkles around the eyes. So here I am with a solution to get rid of them. Firstly, before getting into the video, let us know some facts. Fact number 1. Why do we get dark circles? So there are many reasons behind that. Coming to the first one, lack of sleep. Every one of us doesn't have a good sleep pattern, so that we go through lack of sleep, and this is the reason which may lead to getting dark circles. In this competitive world, we are very much engaged with our works, like we are taking lots of stress on us, so this might lead to the dark circle. And the third one is lack of hydration. We people in this busy world forget to take the appropriate amount of water which is needed by our body, so this might lead to dehydration, and this dehydration may cause dark circles. The fourth one is heredity. So some people may have family history like having more circles, like it is also called that periorbital hyperpigmentation, like the area around the eyes will get hyperpigmentation and this leads to dark circles. And today's solution for these dark circles is, I will be showing a DIY under eye cream. But to make this DIY under eye cream, we need few almonds, raw milk, aloe vera gel and rosehip oil. So first I am taking the almonds. These are raw almonds and not peeled. So I am going to dip now into the milk. So I am doing this on a sandalwood base, like you can extract this using this. So after you get this paste from the almond, transfer it to a container. Make sure you follow these under hygienic conditions because these are natural ingredients and they tend to degrade. So now to this paste we will be adding aloe vera gel. I'll make sure it is free from dyes. So I'm taking 1 to 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. Now I'm adding this into the container. Now take rosehip essential oil and add this to the paste. 2 to 3 drops of rosehip into the paste. Make sure that all the 3 ingredients are well mixed. Now store this cream in refrigerator and apply it every night before you go to the bed. To apply this cream, use always your ring finger so that this finger has the least energy or least pressure, so that you can massage around your eyes without applying any pressure. So this preventive tip can protect your under eye area. So that's all about today's video, and in this DIY cream we have used almond, aloe vera gel and rosehip oil. Almond has anti-inflammatory properties and also antioxidant properties. It is also rich in retinol, vitamin A and vitamin K. So these all help in getting rid of those darkness around our eyes. While coming to the aloe vera gel, it naturally reduces the darkness around the eyes and it naturally brings out all the heat produced. And coming to the rosehip oil, it is filled with essential fatty acids and antioxidant properties. So this might also reduce the darkness around your eyes and get rid of those dark circles. This is a natural DIY. You have to wait for at least a month to see the differences because dark circles are the toughest one to get rid of. And if you like this video and feel it useful, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family members, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And yes, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, immediately go and press that subscribe button and the bell button over there so that you will never miss any update from my channel. And please leave your reviews and your feedbacks in the comment section so that they will be helpful for me. And if you wanted to stay updated with me, please follow me on Instagram at @GlamUpTeen. I'll be leaving the link in the description box below so that you can directly go to my Instagram account. And if you wanted to see more videos like this, please stay updated with me and see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep loving. Bye bye.